Hello students, welcome back. In our last class, we had just learnt about the food and nutrients, and today we are going to study elaborately about different kinds of nutrients which are present in our food. We had already learnt about nutrients, isn't it? What is nutrients? The substance through which we get energy. Okay, and that substance is present in our food. So let's study about different types of nutrients. Now come to the book. Nutrients present in our body can be, nutrients present in our food can be grouped into different categories according to what they do for the body. These categories are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Besides this, food also contains roughage and water. So nutrients is present in our body in our food as I told you. So nutrients जो है हम लोगों के फूड में ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट होता है और न्यूट्रिएंट्स कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स फैट्स प्रोटीन्स विटामिन्स रफेज एंड वाटर भी इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स ओके इससे भी हम लोग को एनर्जी मिलता है ये भी हम लोगों को मीन्स बॉडी एक्टिविटीज़ में हेल्पफुल है नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द फर्स्ट न्यूट्रिएंट्स द फर्स्ट कैटेगरीज ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स दैट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स carbohydrates are the nutrients which give us energy to do work. Some food items rich in carbohydrates are bread, oatmeal, rice, wheat, potatoes, sweets and chocolates. So what is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are that nutrients which gives us energy. Okay, and carbohydrate rich food are ब्रेड ओटमील राइस ये सभी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स पाए जाते हैं ओके नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज people like sports person and laborers do a lot of physical work and therefore require more carbohydrates. So laborers and sports person they are doing very hard job, isn't it? Their job is very tough. They requires a lots of energy. So to get energy, they require more carbohydrates. For that reason, they consume carbohydrate-rich food. Okay, means जिस food में ज़्यादा carbohydrate है, उन लोगों को ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ता है because they are doing lots of energetic work, isn't it? Now come to the next part, that is fats. This is also this nutrient is also a kind of energy-giving nutrient, isn't it? Kinds of energy. Now. Fats are the nutrients which give us more energy than carbohydrates and keep our body warm. Means fats भी हम लोगों को energy provide करता है, but it other functions also that it keeps our body warm, isn't it? So fats क्या करता है वो भी energy देता है and it also keeps our body warm. And it gives more energy than carbohydrate. Means fats हम लोग को ज़्यादा energy मिलता है in comparison to carbohydrate. Oil, nuts, butter and meat are rich in fats. Our body stores extra fat for future use, but too much fat is not good for us. So what happened? Food items which are rich in fats are oil, butter, meat, nuts. Okay, these are the foods that are rich in fats. But if you consume extra fat, means if you are taking extra fat or more fatty food, then it may cause diseases, isn't it? Too much fat is not good for us. So for that reason, we should eat carbohydrate fats, but in a limited quantity. Okay, in a limited way. Now come to the next part, that is proteins. Proteins are the nutrients which help us to grow. So proteins helps in growing, isn't it? They are also called bodybuilding foods. Fish, eggs, meat, cheese, pulses and beans are rich in proteins. Growing children require more proteins and should therefore eat lots of protein-rich food. So, proteins क्या होता है? Proteins जो body building foods होता है. Means जिस तरह से carbohydrates energy giving food है, like that proteins is body building food. because it helps our body to grow, isn't it? And examples of proteins are fish, eggs, meat. These are the foods which are rich in proteins. And the children, newborn baby, not newborn baby, means children basically below 10, 12, they requires more more proteins, isn't it? Means growing children requires more protein to grow, isn't it? For proper growth, children should take proper nutrients, proper proteins. Okay. So let's stop till here. So today I will stop till here only. तो हम लोगों ने आज पढ़ा कि किस तरह से कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बॉडी के लिए हेल्पफुल है, फैट्स हेल्पफुल है, एंड प्रोटीन भी हेल्पफुल है. ओके, प्रोटीन्स जो है बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स देयर प्रॉपर ग्रोथ, इजंट इट? So let's stop till here. In our last class, means in my coming class, I will start vitamins and minerals. Please read the chapter once. Thank you.